Hey guys, Alan here with Sonic Electronics CES 2019. We're here at the Metra booth looking at their new turbo tactile dash kits. This particular one here is for a Ford Mustang 2010 to 2014. So if this is your particular vehicle and you're looking to replace your factory radio and the aftermarket doubled in, this is a great solution. With the tactile dash kit like this, it gives you an OEM feel and fitment and finish to not only the dash kit, but also the buttons. So the factory dash obviously had tactile buttons like this as well. So they've incorporated that into the dash kit. So which is actually really nice. It gives it more, like I said, that OEM feel. A lot of other manufacturers out there will put like a touch screen on here, making it hard to adjust certain settings and definitely getting away from that OEM look. So if you've got a 2010 to 14 Ford Mustang with single zone climate controls, take a look at the 9958 53CH by Metra.